Students, as the session 1 of polar plots was lengthier, in this video I am giving you only a problem statement for you to draw the polar plot. So here is the problem statement. Open loop transfer function is given and you have to draw the polar plot and obtain the gain margin and phase margin. So the denominator is 1 plus s the whole square. Just split this into 2, 1 plus s into 1 plus s. Then you can, as usual, follow the procedure for drawing the polar plot. That is, get the g of j omega, and after getting g of j omega, get the magnitude and phase expressions. After getting the expressions, find magnitude values and phase values for various frequencies. Plot these points in polar plot. After plotting the graph, get the gain margin and phase margin. So here I have given the solution also. Gain margin is 2 and phase margin is 21 degrees. I hope students will spend some time today and do the graph.